Alaikum, how are you all? I think that all of you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I have come in front of you taking another video, which is from the chapter 4, Work, Power, and Energy. And here you are noticing a question which is related to kinetic energy. We know that energy has two kinds. There are several kinds of energies in around the world or in the world, but especially or specifically we can divide it into two categories: kinetic energy and potential energy. And this mathematical problem is related to kinetic energy, and this is a question which is written on my whiteboard, and now I'm gonna read. If a 1000 kg mass vehicle runs with the velocity of 36 km per hour, then how much will kinetic energy be? They require from us the kinetic energy, I mean the quantity of kinetic energy. First of all, it is to be sure, or you will have to be sure the formula. Which formula will you use for solving this math? If you don't know the formula, then it is not possible to solve or sort out this math. Okay, now I'm gonna solve it. First of all, we'll have to collect all the data from the question paper. You are noticing that we have M 1000 kg. We have velocity, I mean B, 36 kilometer per hour. We'll have to convert it into meter second. Then if we go to convert it, then we will get 36. There is kilometer suffix, so we will multiply it with 1000, and we know 1 hour means 60 minutes and 60 seconds means 1 minute. So 60 into 60, 60 into 60, then we will get 36 into 1000, I mean 36,000 and 3600. If you card those zeros, then you will get 36 divided by 360, then you will get the divisor 10. That means 10 meter second inverse 1. And now we are requiring kinetic energy. I mean, this question is requiring kinetic energy from us. EK equal to what? We will write in the first segment that we know. We know. In your book, it is to be noted that in your book, the writer tried to remark it or try to mention it, I mean this kinetic energy, in a symbol that means T. T equal to half m b square. And in several books, you will find out kinetic energy denotes to Ek. I mean kinetic energy, Ek. But in your book, T equal to half m b square. Okay. Now we will place those values or those magnitudes in the formula or in this law. M is 1000 and V is 10 square. This square is this. And if you card 1000, then you will get 500. Then the answer will be 5 into 10 to the power 4. If you express it in scientific notation, then you will get 5 into 10 to the power 4. And this is the kinetic energy. We know that the unit of kinetic energy or any kinds of energy is joule. So we will write the unit J. J means joule. Answer. I think that you have got this mathematical problem solution very well. And if you have any question, then please stay connected with me and let me know, that I will try my best to give you the answer, and I will try my best to give you the problem solution. And this is the question that I solved. Thank you.